Hi, it's Mr. Hem here again. In this video, I'd like to show you, I think, a neat trick to handle things when your window in TK is deleted, meaning you've closed it and window then deletes it. And it's kind of the last bastion to make sure that you've done what you need to do, right? And I think it's a neat trick. Let's just show you. Let me just show you. So TK has a particular where is it? Let's go to a right place here. Let's just do it here. TK has a kind of a neat place where it has a method called what was it? It was WM protocol that checks for certain window messages from Windows, and this really is for Windows. And at the moment, at this iteration, I think this is the only one that actually works. So this one, where what happens is when window detects that the TK window is deleted, it will send this message in the system, right? And we could bind this to an event, like basically a win delete event. So when you delete the window, or even you can call it even window close, right? Because if we close it, we're going to delete it, right? It doesn't take an event, does it? I don't think it takes an event. No. And we can do something, and you can do what you need to do when your window closes here. Like, and the main thing that I want to do here is release memory. Because we used the MCI in the previous videos, I basically just want to call in a close sound, and you can do anything else you need to do in here. Close all sound, basically. So you just write all there, and it'll close all, and then this thing will go close all. Now, I guess the issue with all is if you've got other things playing in the MCI, it will close that too, and it's probably not. It's not even related to your software. So in some ways, you should kind of iterate through the sounds that you've got already. But I think our timer's already handling that anyway. So anyway, this is just a safeguard there. Let's just put it right there. Close all, and we could test it out. We could see if this thing works when we close the window. Right now, it's got all of these sounds running, and let's just run it. And what I'll do is I'll knock off the window and see what happens. Close off the window, and it should go close all. So this is not respond. Oh yeah, that's right, because I forgot to put in window closed here. I didn't even bind it. Let's run that. We should see our close all at the end there, so we know that. Now close it. Let's close that. Oh yes. Yeah, one other thing. Yeah, you now have to explicitly close it. So you actually have to call the TK method to actually close it, because you're overriding the Windows close, and what you're doing is you're closing sound. You're doing close all, but it doesn't allow you to close it. So we really should call that. So to call that, we go main win. So you can control now. You don't have to destroy it straight away. You can like do something before you destroy it. Else this would just happen anyway. So now you got stuff. You can do stuff here. Do other stuff here. So it's kind of useful. Other stuff here. You know, I could even give out a last message, like a last word. Window will be deleted. There you go. Delete it means window takes care of it. It kind of garbage collects it, you know, deletes it, gets rid of it, so that it frees up memory for other things to use in Windows. Alright, so we'll close it, and there we go. Window will be deleted. Done. Finito. Alright, that pretty much concludes this video. So I'll see you in the next one.